let's go.
Lick and come along, we'll find sweet fruit and sing a song. Grab your basket, here we go, to the farm where good things grow. Strawberries red and hiding low, under leaves they softly grow. Bend down gently, pick with care, sweet and juicy everywhere. Pick what a treat, fruits are fresh and oh so sweet. Smiles and sunshine, skies so blue, I love picking fruit with you. Cherries dangle up so high like red balloons in the sky. Pick one, pop one, yum yum yum, sticky fingers having fun. Pick what a treat, fruits are fresh and oh so sweet. Smiles and sunshine, skies so blue, I love picking fruit with you. Each is fuzzy, big and round, growing where the sun shines down. Golden juice and sunny smell, peachy hugs I know so well. Let's fill our baskets one by one, we laugh and dance beneath the sun. With cherry cheeks and berry toes, the fruit picking magic grows and grows. Pick what a treat, fruits are fresh and oh so sweet. From tree to basket, hand to heart, fruit and family, that's the best part.